Hey guys, how are you today? It's Crypto Ape. So let's see how Bitcoin does in the past 2 days. All right. I just saw this picture on Twitter. I think it was tweeted by TradingView. He was using the chart of SP 500 and he was drawing a dragon. It's pretty funny. It's pretty interesting to see this chart because what's a dragon gonna do? I think most likely the dragon gonna make some fires, right? They're gonna spray some fires to the air, to put the price down, right? If you watch closely, this should be a wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, wave five, right? And we already finished the ABC correction, right? This is A, B, and C. So most likely the price probably gonna drop down from here. Hopefully this dragon can make us some fires, right? All right. So let's see Bitcoin, right? Last time we were somewhere around here. So we were talking about, the Bitcoin was kind of making an ending diagonal, right? So, first we have a ABC correction here. Then we are starting to forming an ending diagonal. All of this part could be the wave 5. This is a ending pattern, right? So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we will start shorting here, right? So the price actually was making a higher time frame, which is a wave 4, right? So this is a wave 4. And you can see a clearly A, B, C pattern in the wave 4, right? So the price was supporting in this area, which was a previous high right here. And, the price, showing some, bullish signals, right? You can see the market cipher we have been making a lower low in the price, but the market cipher was actually creating a higher low, right? This is a divergence, right? So this is a good place to start longing again, because after we finishing this wave 3 and wave 4, so this could be the last wave 5, right? Also, the price was actually rejected actually pricely in this range, right? This range is 25.2, right? The 25.2 range is actually have a large volume of the short liquidations, right? So we can see, since this ending diagonal, you can see a lot of shorts actually accumulating themselves in this 25.2. Totally there would be like how much this probably probably 1 billion US dollars short liquidation was actually accumulating themselves. So you can see, yesterday, the price hit hardly, on 25.2, and then the price was rejected heavily from this area of range, right? And this giving us a wave 5, and I think this is the end of this pump, since December, right? So if we use Elliott waves, so we can draw the large scale of this pump. So you can see it will be something like this. Right? Sorry, it will be something like this. So this is with 1, 2, and this is a 3, this is 4, and this is the last ending 5 waves, right? Also, you can see there's a smaller 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, you could see there's a ABC, right? A, B, and a C. The C is actually higher low than this range. Also, we can see the cipher. This is pretty bullish, right? So the price started pumping to this range, right? So after the end of this range, so it's coming to this ending diagonal, right? Like we see this in the lower time frame. So the price is actually was forming an ending diagonal here. So, and we have a ABC down, so which is a wave 4, and we have one more wave 5 just pumping up, So I believe this is the local top. People are saying, this could be the start of the bull run. I mean, they could be right. They could be right, but we're always looking for confluences, convergences, right? Whether this is the start of the bull run, but right now the pattern has been showing us that this is a pretty clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna either have a wave 2 coming down, right? In wave 2, probably we're gonna have something like a A, B, C coming down. Maybe we're gonna start wave 3 up, but we don't know how the price is gonna react during this down. But at least right now, I think here is a great place to put a short position to see how the price is gonna react, right? So the other confirmation is coming from a lot of different markets. One being the DXY. So if you see the DXY price actually has been pumping, since we hit 100.8 in this area, which is also the supporting line right here back in May 2022, right? So I think the DXY price probably gonna be pumping a little bit up. Then we're probably gonna forming some sort of the diagonal pattern. So once we finish this, after a massive pump, since 2021, so this could be wave 3. Right now, it seems like it was completing its wave 4, right? So the wave 4, it's a complex one. So I think probably gonna be forming something like this. Then we're gonna start wave 5. But right now, for the short term, we can see the price actually was pumping since 100.8 to coming back up. Another thing is, once the DXY was pumping, the financial market, the SPY, the ES, and the Bitcoin, they should be dumping, right? So you can see in the Emini, right? You can see there's a clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern down, and right now it seems like we are finishing the ABC correction. The C wave is actually higher than the A wave, and the price actually was coming back down. Also in the market cipher, I mean this is bearish, right? So if we trade according to what we see, right? So the Emini SPY should be coming back down. So does Bitcoin, right? So does Bitcoin, and we're gonna see whether. So we're gonna have a ABC down, right? So in the ABC down, you should be seeing something like this, right? If this is a ABC, down, you're gonna see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave A, right? So we're gonna watch closely whether this is gonna be forming as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is wave A, and this could be wave B, and this could be wave C. So the level we're gonna watch really closely is, the first one would be 20.8K, right, in this area, which is if this is the pivot high and this is the pivot low, this is a 0.5 fake level, right? 20.8K is also correlated with the liquidation level. So you can see there's a long liquidation level was accumulating themselves since last week, right? The price is exactly at 20.8, right? So this area probably we're gonna first to see whether the wave A can bring us to 20.8, right? So if the price can bring us 20.8, I think that's a great place to close at least a part of your position, to lock your profit, and to see how the price is gonna react next, right? So if this is the wave A and this is the wave B, I do believe the price is going to be rejected here and coming even back lower, right? So this could be the big wave A, and this could be the big wave 2. Then we're going to start a rally again. But until then, we're going to watch to see whether if this is going to happen, right? So I think that's it for today. We're gonna see you next week. Thank you guys. Bye.